Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to connect Xiaomi to Strava. To connect your Xiaomi device to Strava, open the Mi Fitness app, formerly known as Xiaomi Wear. On iOS, log into Mi Fitness, go to your profile, then Connected Apps, tap Strava, authorize the connection, sign into your Strava account, and you're all set. For Android, tap the Profile tab in the lower right corner, go to Settings, then Third Party Data. If Strava is installed, you'll see it listed. Select it, log in, choose your permissions, and confirm authorization. Make sure your device is paired via Bluetooth or permissions are enabled. If syncing fails, check your connection or reauthorize, and that's how you connect Xiaomi with Strava quickly and easily. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.